Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am showing you guys how I color my Burmese exotic wave, which is one of my favorite textures ever. People always ask me how do I color my curly hair and I don't let the curls drop. You can use, I like to use the quick blue, but all I had was the BW2. Really the key thing about is not dropping your curls when you're coloring it and adding bleach to it is I don't brush my hair through. I just simply paint it on and I just massage it in. That's a key thing. Don't brush it through, just massage it in. And as you can see here, I've done the back first. I always do the back first. And it's nicely bleached. It's all coated. And then after I do the back, I like to start with the front, which is my frontal. And this is a HD frontal. I'm obsessed with these frontals. This is the only kind of frontal I wear now personally. But yeah, it's an HD frontal. So I'm going to go ahead and just color the front of the frontal in. And I'm not trying to really get it too much on the roots. I want to leave the roots just like a half an inch, maybe just so it can just be dark. I don't want it to be colored from the root until the tip. So yeah. I'm just massaging that in. And this is the whole head. I did the whole head and I just let it sit like that. And I put it in a bag upside down. I did rinse it out really, really good. And I put it upside down in the bag just to touch base back on that because that helps the curls stay defined as well. And I'm putting in some hot water into a bowl. And I'm using the Adore Cajun Spice, French Cognac, and the paprika. Came out to a beautiful color. Like if you're looking for fall color, this color goes with everyone. So it doesn't matter if you're dark skin, if you're light skin, whatever, it goes with everyone. I'm just going to put half of each of these bottles into this steaming hot water. And then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and mix and whisk that all together. And you want to be careful too because this water is like really piping hot. So yeah, this is the water technique that I am doing for these curls. And if you guys can see, my wig is over there to the side. I didn't want it to get it too blonde because I still want this to be like a dark orange brownish color. I didn't want it too light. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and dip this wig in. And to be honest, I left this in there for about 10 minutes. And then I just took it out, conditioned it, and let it air dry. Simple. This was a really simple, easy color to do. Anyone can do it. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see how my stylist installs my frontal wigs. Shout out to Tecori. She does an amazing job. She's about to install this wig and she's going to add a band in so I can make it glueless as well. It can be glueless as well when I want to go home and I can cut it, put it on and off. So yeah, if you're in the Atlanta area, she is the best. So yeah, sit back and enjoy how she installs it and styles it. Thanks, guys.